Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Goodbudget's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Goodbudget's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Goodbudget application. The home page of Goodbudget application will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option. Enter your household name or email address and password associated with your Goodbudget's account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot option. This is how you can log into your Goodbudget's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.